Today you're gonna see me go from dropping this old mop to learning 3 staff spinning tricks in just a week. Staff spinning. It's an iconic part of every Asian martial arts movie. Awesome fight scenes and way over the top sound effects. Who wouldn't love that? And so this week I wanted to see if I too could become one with the staff. Step 1. Anything long that you can grip firmly with 2 hands. I went to the balcony and found 2 dirty old mops. Perfect. Let's get started. Yeah, this probably isn't gonna work. The mop was weighted unevenly, so spinning it just felt clunky. I kept searching, and luckily I did find a staff lying around. It's a bit short, but it should be fine. There were 3 staff tricks I wanted to learn. The first was the forward figure 8 spin. Okay, this is day 1. You basically try and trace an infinity sign with the top end of your staff. I did it slowly, in big movements, and then gradually got faster. Once you become better at it, you want the movement to come mostly from the wrist instead of the whole arm. I still had some trouble with the reverse left side, but more on that later. The second trick was being able to rotate the staff quickly with both hands. You should probably take your practice outside, as dropping your staff is really loud. The third and final trick was spinning it around my back. It's probably the coolest trick, but also the most difficult. The behind the back transition was pretty difficult, and my reverse left spin was still really poor. And finally, after 7 days of practice, okay, so tips if you're also learning. Slow down. Take it slow and emphasize your movements. If you need to, break the trick down into parts. With trick 3, I kept fumbling the behind the back hand transition, so I decided to isolate just that part. Tip 2, stretch. Increase the range of motion on your wrists. Don't forget your forearms and shoulders too, because they can get quite tight and sore. Finally, practice and enjoy it. The only way you'll improve is through lots of practice. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe.